Typically, with travel, my suggestion is go easy on yourself. Give yourself some grace. Be kind to yourself. This is a highly inconvenient time. You are away from your juicer, your blender, your steamer, your cooker. You're away from your normal exercise, your sleep routine. You're going to be sleeping in a different bed. You might be in a different time zone. Chill. Stick to the 4 core actions. If you can stick to the 4 core actions and include some little form of movement, even if it's just getting up and going for a walk each morning, trying to follow some of those sleep steps, right? I'll put the sleep thing in underneath that as well. Sleep routine. Trying to stick to those 4 core actions of your greens, your hydration, your minerals, your fats and your anti-inflammatories. This will serve you well. My brain's throwing minerals in there as well because I do recommend traveling with an alkaline mineral supplement. It's a really easy way to have a scoop in the morning and a scoop in the late afternoon, early evening, just to keep topping up those alkaline buffers and supporting your body. With concentrated alkaline minerals, it's going to really help. With the fact that the stress of travel, the sleep disruption of travel is acidic, as well as the fact that you will be stuck with non-alkaline food options for various portions of your trip, the alkaline minerals will really help with that. If for greens, you know you can take a green powder with you and have that throughout the day in water, which will tick the hydration box. You can take a oil supplement with you, so you're sticking with the omega-3 as you go. You can take your curcumin supplement with you. So all of the 4 core actions can be ticked with supplements and hydration. Brilliant. On top of that, if it's possible, you want to take some alkaline snacks with you. So if you are going for, let's call it a long weekend or a week, Lorna, perfect. If I could have just done this call just before you left. If you were going for like a long weekend, a few days or a week or so, you can definitely pack some pre-made alkaline snacks. You can freeze them before you go, and then in your suitcase, in the airplane, it's nice and cold down there. You will arrive. They will still probably be fairly frozen when you get there. If you can wrap them up in an ice pack or an insulated package as well, even better. But you can be making the breakfast bars. You can be making the bliss balls. You can be making all manner of freezable, storable alkaline snacks that are fat rich, mineral rich, alkaline, brilliant. And the fat richness of them will preserve them for that week. So you can keep them in that airtight container, keep them in your mini bar fridge or whatever for that period of time. It's going to work for you. It's going to be brilliant. Take a couple for snacks on the plane. The other thing is I often pack with me some chia seeds. I will look on Google Maps before I leave to know where, if I've got a grocery store nearby, there usually is one within a walk or within an Uber ride. When I get there, I will go and buy some coconut cream, coconut milk, and if I can, I will pack just a mini blender, like a little mini Ninja or a little NutriBullet or something that I'll take with me, and I'll just go and get some coconut water and some leafy greens from the store, whatever, scope out the size of your mini bar, and if you can make a little smoothie in the morning before you head out for the day, unbelievable. All right. If not, worst case scenario, you can have chia seeds in water as like a little morning drink. Helps detox and flush the system. The fats in there are really fantastic, really good support to digestion, and it's got some protein and some fiber, and chia seeds are just a wonderful thing, aren't they? So that's like almost a worst case scenario, isn't it? You can have chia water in the morning, but if you can get some coconut milk, even if you can pack like just a UHT carton of coconut milk, and I'd wrap it up in a bag and sort of put it in your suitcase with some sort of stuff around it so it doesn't. But if you can take that with you, if you're not sure you'd be able to get to a grocery store when you get there, you can just mix up like some chia pots in the morning, and it will be just a good help to just get some good nourishment in you that will keep you going throughout the morning, throughout the day, so that you're not turning to those sort of less healthy options. And that's kind of the best you can do, right? When you're out at meals, sometimes the meal choices are restricted. If you're there on like a corporate gig, it might be that they're like, we're all going to this restaurant tonight, and it's like, that's not going to be the best for me, but you can order a side salad with every meal, right? You can do that. But go be kind to yourself, enjoy, socialize, network, fraternize, do all of those things right away. There's only so much you can control, and you want to have a good time. Travel is a gift, it's a wonderful thing. So enjoy it. I love travel. I just love it. So enjoy it as well and tick those boxes and you'll be absolutely good to go.